They didn't ask for glory, they asked for truth. And when the world turned away, they stood in the dark, glowing and fighting. Here is such story of science and courage. It looked like magic. A glowing paint that could light up watches, clocks, even faces. And young girls were hired to paint with it. But what started as a dream ended as a nightmare. In 1910s and 1920s, companies in the US hired young women to paint watch dials using radium. Now, what is radium? It is a radioactive element discovered by Marie Curie. Radioactive elements is a special kind of material that slowly breaks down and gives off invisible energy called radiation, and it can be dangerous if you're exposed for too long. But at that time, this substance was considered to be safe. Now let's go back to the story. Painting the dials was a delicate task which needs fine brushwork. So to keep the brushes fine, they were told to lick the tip of brush after every stroke. The girls glowed, literally. Their lip, face, and even their dresses shimmered in the dark. They enjoyed this in the beginning, and some even painted their teeth as it gave them radiant smile. They walked back home glowing in the dark, which got them the name Ghost Girls. But slowly, horrifying symptoms appeared. Loose teeth, rotting jaws, bone damage, and unbearable pain. When they consulted the doctors, didn't understand it. Companies denied it. The women were blamed, ignored, and left to die. But in 1927, a few brave girls, along with Grace Fryer, fought back. They filed a case and took the company to the court. The Radium Girls case changed everything. They fought so that others don't suffer like them. Because of their sufferings, people learned how dangerous radium can be. Their courage changed everything. The use of radium in everyday products was completely banned. New labor laws were made to protect workers' health and safety. And those rules still protect people even today. Real people, real impact. For more stories like this, subscribe.